Hey traders, Mike here. My apologies on missing the last few Trader Psychology live stream series, as I've been traveling all around France and unfortunately the Wi-Fi connection here has not been the greatest. So in this video, I want to talk about one of the topics that I want to discuss with you over the live stream is the most difficult trader skill to master. Now, is it technical analysis in terms of expertly reading charts? Is it understanding a company's fundamentals in terms of what drives the price to move up or down based on the company's financials or fundamentals of the company? Or is it risk management or a whole slew of other topics? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you what I think is the most difficult trader skill to master. So let's get started. All right, this is just a normal disclaimer in terms of just make sure that you contact a financial advisor before making any financial decisions. All right, in my opinion, the most difficult trader skill to master is knowing when to trade. Now, the thing that I would say is many people aspire to be traders, and it's actually quite easy to be a trader. All you need to do is open up a brokerage account, put some money in, and click on some buy and sell buttons, and there you go. You are a trader. Now, obviously, the most difficult skill part is knowing when to trade. So, in my opinion, that is the most difficult trader skill to master because it's so easy to trade, right? And also the aspect is we all, once we put money into a trading account, we all want to make money right away. We all want to make money on a daily basis. So sometimes what we do is we force ourselves into certain trades or not so ideal trades because we have a need to make money. And that's where knowing when to trade is difficult, right? Because you have a need to make money, but obviously, do you have the skill? Is the market agreeing with your analysis for you to be able to make money? Now, the third thing is when we want to make money and perhaps we are trying to either make more money or in some sense we are losing money and we continue trading to try to make the losses back, is we tend to overtrade, right? And again, this is related to the most difficult trader skill, is knowing when to trade. So when you are obviously over trading, there's a huge potential or high potential that you will lose money due to trading too much. And on the opposite side of the spectrum is I've had students, or I've seen other traders where they are scared to trade. They don't know when to trade, meaning they don't trade at all, or they're just too scared to hit the buy and sell buttons. So therefore, they don't lose money, but neither do they make money. So for them, the challenge is obviously knowing when to trade. And bottom line, in terms of knowing when to trade, is also knowing what type of market environment it is. So let's just say, for example, you find a good opportunity, you have a certain style that you're trading, but the market environment that the market is in is not the most ideal to trade. So for example, if you are a trend trader, the markets are volatile, going up and down. It's not an ideal market environment for your trading style. Now, you perhaps could be the best trend trader in the world, but if the market environment is not suitable for trend trading, then you possibly have a high chance of losing money. So again, the difficult part is knowing when to trade, right? Knowing when not to trade due to the fact that the market environment is not suitable for you. So what's the way to master this trader skill of knowing when to trade. Now, obviously, as I mentioned to you here, these five things are scenarios where you don't know when to trade, or perhaps not knowing the right time to trade. So, first of all, is when you are um, looking to trade, is you obviously need to be very careful of not just hitting the buy and sell buttons at random or very very quickly. You have to be very patient, right, in terms of waiting for that right opportunity. And second thing of all is, the need to make money, right? So you shouldn't look at trading that you need to make money on a daily basis, or whenever you open up your trading workstation and you're looking at the markets, is that you have a need to make money on that particular day or at that particular time. It has to be the right trade for you. So that's where you need to master patience, right? Patience in terms of waiting for that right opportunity, where your right strategy, the right type of trading style, the right type of setup, the right type of market environment for you um, to know that this is the right time to enter into a trade. Now, if you're scared, right, to trade, as I always said, is try trading with a demo account first. Try with a paper money, so therefore you don't have that fear of losing money. Now, obviously, when you are ready to trade with real money, um, to overcome that fear of not losing lots of money, is to trade very very small, and that will help you overcome the fear of being scared of trading. And the last thing of all, and most importantly, is the skill that you need to master is when to trade. Is you need to identify what's the type of um, trading setup that you're looking for. What's that chart setup? What's the chart pattern? What's the entry price that you're looking to get into? Is it a market environment that has lots of volatility? Are you a volatility trader? Are you a trend trader? Or are you looking for a steady move up or a steady move down? And knowing the type of a market environment that you're in, where you do your due diligence, you look for past history, look for scenarios where you've made money in the same exact scenario. So that gives you confidence and gives you comfort that, hey, you've made money in the past in this, and therefore there's a high probability that this trade will work in your favor. Like, do lots of research, do a lot of analysis, do what you can to make you feel comfortable and confident that this trade will work out in your favor, and therefore you will know exactly when to trade. Now, there's obviously other trader skills that are also very, very difficult to master, and I'll talk about that in future videos. All right, guys, end this video. Just want to let you guys know, if you are interested in working with me, I do have a stock trader development program. All you need to do is go to mikesearchtrader.com/program to apply to work with me. All right, guys, thank you all for watching this video, and I look forward to speaking to you guys live in my live weekly trader psychology live stream series very, very shortly. Have a great day, guys.